Hey, I'm right here with you. This is easygoing and flexible. No gold stars to earn. Take what helps. Skip what doesn't. Eyes open or closed. Still or gently moving. There's no wrong way. You don't need to be in a perfect place or perfect mood for this. But do give yourself a little bit of quiet. Something that says, this moment is mine. Now, let's get you comfortable. Sitting, lying down, standing, or leaning. You don't need to melt into the floor. Just rest. Drop your shoulders. Loosen your jaw. Soften around the eyes. Take a breath. In through your nose. Out through your mouth. And again. In. Out. Good. If this is too slow, just breathe normally. Either way, let your body catch the message. I'm safe enough to listen. If it feels good, take one slower breath with a longer exhale. Pick one anchor, whatever feels best right now. The natural rhythm of your breath, the feel of your feet or seat being held up, a steady sound in the room, or the warmth of a hand resting on your chest or belly. I want you to imagine something. Picture a short documentary about you. Choose the timing. A few months from now, 2 years, or 10. Your call. This film is the story of you showing up for your writing and finding your way. Of you who figured things out. One scene, one sentence, one weird metaphor at a time. This film is your story. The screen fades in. The highlight reel plays. Moments of life, creativity, growth. Where are you? What have you created? Which scenes make you proud? Let images come on their own. No forcing, no steering. Use your senses like brushes. Add some color. See yourself holding your published novel, running a workshop, or writing at your desk, feeling at peace. Hear keys clicking, a reader's voice, an editor saying, "This is your best work yet." Feel a pen gliding, the weight of a finished piece, that lighter chest saying, "I'm doing it." Smell or taste coffee, fresh paper, a square of chocolate, something celebratory. If something playful pops in, keep it. Someone familiar turns to the camera, your wise friend inside, your elder self, your inner producer. The vibe is warm and real, like they've sat with you at 2 a.m. They ask 2 questions. How did you accomplish all this? What strengths helped you along the way? No rush. Let it show up as a phrase, a sensation, or an image. Let the body answer first. The mind can follow. This is the start of clarity, not a quiz. Now check in with your body. How does it feel to be that version of you? Does your chest lift a little? Is your breath steadier? Do your shoulders settle? Whisper a line that fits. Maybe I can practice access. Or your own steady, ready writing. Notice the shift. Now, quietly answer just for you and don't overthink. One thing future me is doing that I can start today. One strength I'm already using, even if I forget to credit myself. The smallest action I can take in the next 15 minutes. Choose one micro action, pair it with a cue. When this session ends, I will open my notebook and write one true sentence each thumb and forefinger together, or press your palm to your heart as you repeat your line once more. Thank the scene and keep one symbol, a word, image, or gesture. Carry it into the day. Let it be poetic. Let it be strange. Let it involve espresso baristas riding dolphins if it needs to. What matters is not what the vision looks like. What matters is how it makes you feel. Remember, this wasn't a dream, it was rehearsal. Every rehearsal makes the part easier to play. You don't have to become that future self all at once. But now you're already on the path. Now slowly return to the present. Wiggle your fingers. Take a breath. Notice the space around you, the floor beneath you, the moment you're in, and carry this version of you. Take a breath in through your nose, out through your mouth, and again, in, out. If you're heading to right, take that one true sentence now. I'm with you.